Attempting such a dangerous overtake on a mountain bend spells certain death. Never take risks on a blind curve. Stay in your lane and drive safely. If the excavator hadn't held the truck steady as it overturned, a major accident would have occurred. Never drive while overloaded. A moment's negligence, and the entire car plunges straight into the river. Placing wheel stoppers under the tires is crucial to prevent the car from sliding due to the impact of the waves. Stay alert and stay safe while driving. The small vehicle gets crushed without the driver even realizing it. Exercise extreme caution when driving a small vehicle on roads leading to ravines or mines. Standing so close to a heavy truck on a poorly maintained road is a very dangerous mistake. Because the road is soft, the truck could tip over at any moment. Don't put your life at risk out of curiosity. Be careful. Stay safe. Maintaining a safe distance from the vehicle in front in traffic is crucial. Failing to do so is a serious mistake. What was the primary cause of the collision with the truck in front? It was due to inattention and excessive speed. Remember that heavy vehicles always have a longer braking distance. So always maintain a safe distance when driving on the highway. See how a moment of inattention on a straight road can lead to disastrous consequences. On the highway, even a small mistake at high speed can result in a major collision. Always pay attention to the steering wheel. How did an entire, massive truck get stuck like this under the bridge? The driver's biggest mistake was ignoring the low clearance sign. Always make sure you know the height of your vehicle before entering under any bridge.